In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record overdraft account in QuickBooks Online 2026. First, open QuickBooks Online in your browser and head to your company. Once you're in, look toward the top menu so you're oriented to where we'll be working. We're going to set this up correctly in your book so your overdraft shows as something you owe, not as available cash. From the top menu, click Accounting. This is where QuickBooks manages your chart of accounts, which is the master list of where transactions land on your financial statements. Next, choose Chart of Accounts. You'll see all your existing accounts, bank, credit card, income, expenses, and more. Now click New Account. We're creating a dedicated place to track your overdraft so it doesn't mix with your regular checking balance. In the account name field, type Bank Overdraft. Use this exact clear name so anyone reviewing your books knows what it is at a glance. Open the Account Type dropdown. Select Current Liabilities. This is important. An overdraft is money you owe back to the bank, so it belongs under liabilities, not under bank accounts. Choosing the correct account type is what makes your balance sheet accurate. Enter the unpaid balance. This should be the total amount you're currently overdrawn. Enter it as a positive number. QuickBooks will treat it as something you owe. Right below that, select the date that this balance is true as of typically the statement date or the date you want this to start appearing on your reports. Setting the right as of date keeps your historical reports consistent. You can add a description if you like. This is optional, but it's helpful to note which bank account this overdraft relates to, or any context like temporary overdraft from vendor payments. Clear descriptions make future reviews faster. QuickBooks will automatically place this on your balance sheet in the liabilities section under the bank overdraft account, so there's nothing else you need to configure for reporting. That means your assets and liabilities will reflect reality. Cash sits in bank accounts, and the overdraft sits in liabilities until you pay it off. When everything looks good, click Save. That's it. Your overdraft account is created, the opening amount is recorded, and your reports will now show the balance correctly. A couple of quick tips as you finish up. If your bank treats the overdraft like a line of credit with its own terms, confirm the setup with your accountant so interest and repayments are categorized properly.